Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VAN 9101 attestation failure error in Valorant. This issue is usually related to system files or driver problems, but the good news is that it's fairly easy to fix. Let's get right into it. First, open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If you want, you can also copy and paste the commands directly from the description of this video. Once Command Prompt is open, type the following command, sfc/scannow. Now press Enter. Once the scan is done, type the next command, DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. Press Enter again. Wait for this process to complete. It may take a few minutes. After both commands finish running, close Command Prompt. Now restart your PC. If the error is still not fixed, the next thing you should try is updating your graphics card drivers to the latest version. And that's it.